This is the Ugra Narasimha, and this guy that's on his lap, because his arms are missing, you can't see that he's actually disemboweling him. So when his arms were still there, you would see a bunch of intestines in it. But that's not all. What's going on with this arm over here? I believe that's him ripping someone's face off. If only we still had all of the detail. Gruesome. Boom, I found it. Here's the one with the intestines. Look at that. Oh yeah. This guy's not having a good day. Whew. Look at all of these figures over here.